Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you only 2 rows repeating. So simple shawl. You can find a lot of type of shawl in my channel. I will put here now. You can find different kinds of shawls. One shawl and you like it. I know that it's similar, but this is the difference point here. We crochet the border with the pattern together. It's so practical and so fast. I hope you like it. Only double crochets and chains you will use in that pattern. You crochet it so fast and so easy. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start the crochet our only 2 rows repeating. So simple shawl. Let's start the crochet. You can use which shawl yarn you want. I use size 3 yarn, and this is multicolor yarn. You see that. This is 100 grams is 200 and 210 meters nearly. I use 5mm hook for that. First of all, we will make a magic ring. I made it like that, but if you don't want to make a magic ring, you can start it with chain 4. I will show you. First of all, make a slip knot for that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, turn to the first stitch and join 2 sides together with slip stitch. Then do your pattern in that hole. Okay, like that. But I prefer to start with magic ring. Made a hole like that. Then grab your yarn and chain 3. Count as the first double. Hold these 2 yarns together. Then add here 2 more. 1 and 2. I have 3 double crochet. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochet more. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and make 3 more. So you have at the end of this row 4 sets of 3 double crochet, between of them chain 2. Then pull that yarn tightly and close that hole. Take these 2 yarns together and make your first chain, both of them. We lock this yarn, and I want to come to the first chain 2 space, so I will make here 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch. Chain 3, count as the first double crochet, yarn over and make 2 double crochet more here. This is the second one, this is the third one. I have 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and make here 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. This comes to be our shawl's border. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over and skip the second chain 2 space and come to the third one and make here 3 double. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 double crochets more. 1, 2, 3. This is our second row. Turn my work. We start the third one. I need to come to first chain 2 space. Always you will start your row with 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch. Then make your 3 chains, count as your first double crochet and add here 2 double, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. Always this is the same. Okay, You will start like that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over and come to chain 4 space and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and do the same thing as start here in chain 2 space. Make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. We finish the third row. Then turn my work. We are on the fourth. Always we start, 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch. Then chain 3. Count as the first double. 1 and 2. I have 3 double, chain 2 and make 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. We have chain 4 space. We fill it with again 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Be careful that when you fill the chain 4 space, you not make any chains from getting to next space. Okay, we not making any chains, always doing 3 double, chain 2, 3 double. Skip this 3 stitch, yarn over and come to next chain 4 space and make 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. I come to the end of this row, do the same thing, yarn over, come to chain 2 space and make 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. Complete the 1, 2, 3 and the fourth row. Fourth and the fifth row is your repeating rows. Then turn my work and start to make fifth row. Make my slip stitches, 1, 2 and 3 slip stitches. Then chain 3, this is my first double, do the same thing, add here 2 more double, I have 3 double crochet, chain 2 and add here 3 double crochet more. This is my border. Okay, now start to make pattern. We fill the chains. Now we prepare the chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over and come to chain 2 space and make here 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 4 again, yarn over, come to next chain 2 space and make here 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and come to the finishing border and make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. 1, 2, 3. This is our repeating rows, fourth and the fifth. Turn my work and start the sixth row and do the same thing. 1, 2 and 3 slip stitches and I repeat the fourth row. Chain 3, count as the first double and make here 2 more double crochet. 3 double I have, chain 2 and make 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Now I fill the chain 4 space and not make any chains, yarn over and directly come to the chain 4 space and make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. Yarn over, skip this 3 double crochet and come to next chain 4 space and make here again 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. Yarn over and skip this 3 double crochet and come to do chain 4, and we fill the chain 4 with 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Yarn over and come to the border and do the same thing in last chain 2 space, 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Turn my work. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we start the 7th row, and 7th row is repeating of the 5th row. We make here 1 2 and 3 slip stitch, chain 3, count as the first double, then make here 2 more doubles. I have 3 double crochets, chain 2 and to make 3 double, 1 2 3. I made my border. Then you can see that we have no chain 4, we have chain 2 space, so we fill chain 2 space with 3 double and between of them chain 4. 1 2 3 4, yarn over and come to chain 2 space, make 3 double, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, come to next chain 2 and make 3 double, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, come to next chain 2 and make 3 double, 1 2 3, double crochet, 1 2 3 4, and to finish the row come to last chain 2 space and make 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double, 1 2 and 3. Start this 8th row. This is the repeat of the 4th row. You start with slip stitch, chain 3, make 2 more double, chain 2 and make 3 double, yarn over and not make any chains. You see the chain 4 and you fill it with 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. Not make any chains and come to next space and fill it with 3 double, chain 2, 3 double. You will keep repeating like that. Always repeat the 4th and the 5th row. Okay, after that you will start with the slip stitch, make your 3 double, chain 2, 3 double and make 4 chains, come to chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet. I grow up mine after turn to you. I grow up my shawl. It's like that. It has a border. We crochet together with the pattern border. It's so practical. I hope you like it. Only 2 rows repeating and it's so easy, only making double crochets. It's so fast crocheting. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.